Imagine a land where towering mountains pierce the sky, their snow-capped peaks glistening under the sun. Picture valleys painted emerald green, nourished by rivers that sing ancient songs as they flow. This is Azad Jammu and Kashmir, a land often called heaven on earth. Nestled in the northern realms of Pakistan, AJK is a symphony of nature's artistry. The mighty Himalayas and the Karakoram range grace this land, their slopes adorned with forests of pine, deodar and fir. Crystal-clear rivers, including the Neelam and the Jhelum, carve their paths through these mountains, creating breathtaking landscapes. AJK is a tapestry woven with diverse beauty, from the lush meadows carpeted with wildflowers to the serene lakes reflecting the azure sky. Every corner holds a promise of wonder. The air, pure and invigorating, carries the scent of pine and the music of birdsong. Welcome to AJK, a land where adventure awaits at every turn and where the beauty of nature will captivate your soul. Our journey begins in Muzafarabad, the capital of AJK. This vibrant city rests at the confluence of the Neelam and Jhelum rivers, their waters merging in a graceful dance. The air hums with the city's energy, a blend of tradition and modernity. The Red Fort, perched atop a hill overlooking Muzafarabad, narrates tales of a bygone era. Its crimson stones whisper of the city's rich history. The bustling bazaars of Muzafarabad offer a sensory treat filled with the aroma of spices, the vibrant colors of silks, and the friendly chatter of locals. Take a moment to savor the tranquility of the riverbanks. The sound of rushing water soothes the soul, and the panoramic views of the city and the surrounding mountains will leave you breathless. From Muzafarabad, we'll embark on our exploration of AJK's natural wonders, each destination promising unique experiences and breathtaking vistas. Our next stop is Mirupur, a city renowned for its elegant bridges that gracefully arch over the shimmering waters of Mangla Lake. This sprawling lake, created by the Mangla Dam, adds a touch of serenity to Mirupur's landscape. Mirupur is a city of contrasts, where modern architecture blends with traditional houses. The city's lively bazaars offer a glimpse into the local culture, with vendors selling everything from handicrafts to spices. Visit the majestic Ramkot Fort, an ancient fortress that stands sentinel on a hilltop overlooking Mangla Lake. Its weathered stones whisper tales of valor and history. The fort offers panoramic views of the lake and the surrounding countryside, a sight to behold. As the sun dips below the horizon, casting a golden glow on the water, Mirupur transforms into a scene of ethereal beauty. The city's lights twinkle like stars, reflecting on the lake's surface. Prepare to be mesmerized as we journey into the heart of the Neelam Valley, a paradise that seems to have sprung from the pages of a fairy tale. This valley, carved by the turquoise waters of the Neelam River, is a symphony of nature's artistry. Towering mountains cloaked in emerald forests rise on either side of the valley, their peaks touching the sky. The Neelam River, like a ribbon of liquid sapphire, meanders through this breathtaking landscape, its waters reflecting the colors of the sky. Every turn in the Neelam Valley unveils a new vista, each more stunning than the last. Cascading waterfalls tumble down the mountain slopes, their music echoing through the valley. Lush meadows, carpeted with wildflowers, offer a riot of colors. Visit the charming villages that dot the valley, where the locals welcome you with warm smiles and offer a glimpse into their simple way of life. The air is pure and invigorating, carrying the scent of pine and the sound of birdsong. Section 5, Serenity and Splendor, exploring Rawalakot, Banjosa Lake and Toli Pier. Our exploration of AJK takes us to Rawalakot, a picturesque town nestled in the heart of Poonch district. Known for its captivating beauty and serene environment, Rawalakot is often referred to as the Pearl Valley due to its stunning landscapes. Surrounded by towering mountains and verdant forests, Rawalakot is a haven for nature enthusiasts. The lush greenery and the fresh mountain air make it an ideal destination for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. A short distance from Rawalakot lies Banjosa Lake, a jewel set amidst dense pine forests. This man-made lake is a popular spot for both locals and tourists, offering a peaceful retreat. The lake's emerald waters, reflecting the surrounding greenery, create a scene of breathtaking beauty. The calm and serene environment around the lake is perfect for a relaxing day out. Rent a boat and glide across the lake's tranquil surface, enjoying the gentle sway of the water and the stunning views all around, or simply relax by the shore and soak in the serenity. The peaceful ambience makes it a perfect spot for picnics and family outings. For those seeking adventure, a trek to Toli Pier awaits. This trek is not just about the destination, but also about the journey through the beautiful landscapes. This majestic peak, standing tall at an elevation of 8,800 feet, offers panoramic views of the surrounding mountains and valleys. The sight from the top is truly mesmerizing. The trek to the summit is challenging but rewarding, with each step bringing you closer to nature's grandeur. With breathtaking vistas at every turn, the journey to Toli Pier is an unforgettable experience. As the sun begins its descent, casting long shadows across the landscape, the entire region is bathed in a golden glow. Witness the sky erupt in a kaleidoscope of colors, painting a vibrant picture that will stay with you forever. Rawalakot and its surroundings offer a front-row seat to nature's evening spectacle, a perfect end to a day of exploration and adventure. Section 6. Kotli and Bagh Hidden Jewels of AJK. Our journey continues to Kotli and Bagh, two hidden gems nestled in the southern region of AJK. These towns, often overlooked by tourists, offer a unique blend of natural beauty, history and culture. Kotli, located on the banks of the Poonch River, is a town steeped in history. Visit the ancient Kotli fort, its weathered walls bearing witness to the passage of time. The fort offers panoramic views of the town and the surrounding countryside. Bagh, known for its lush green meadows and fruit orchards, is a paradise for nature lovers. Explore the picturesque Sudan Gali, a mountain resort that offers breathtaking views of the surrounding peaks. The air is filled with the fragrance of wildflowers and the sound of birdsong. Discover the hidden waterfalls and streams that cascade down the mountain slopes, their waters crystal clear and refreshing. Experience the warmth and hospitality of the locals, who welcome you with open arms and share their stories. Section 7. Planning your AJK adventure tips and insights. AJK welcomes travelers with open arms, offering a range of experiences to suit every taste and budget. Whether you're an adventure seeker, a nature lover, or someone looking to immerse in local culture, AJK has something special for everyone. To make the most of your journey, here are some practical tips and insights. Getting there. AJK is accessible by road from major cities in Pakistan. The scenic routes offer breathtaking views, making the journey as enjoyable as the destination. Comfortable buses and private vehicles ply regularly. The nearest airport is Islamabad International Airport, which connects to various international and domestic destinations. Accommodation. From cozy guest houses to comfortable hotels, AJK offers a range of accommodation options. You can find places to stay that fit any budget, ensuring a comfortable and pleasant experience. For a more immersive experience, consider staying in local homestays. This not only supports the local economy, but also provides a unique opportunity to experience the culture firsthand. Best time to visit. AJK enjoys pleasant weather throughout the year. Each season brings its own charm, but some periods are particularly ideal for visiting. However, the best time to visit is during spring from March to May and autumn from September to November, when the weather is ideal for outdoor activities. These seasons offer the most vibrant landscapes and comfortable temperatures. Safety and cultural sensitivity. AJK is generally a safe region for travelers. The local authorities are friendly and helpful, ensuring a secure environment for visitors. However, it's always advisable to exercise caution and respect local customs and traditions. Being mindful of cultural norms enhances your travel experience and fosters positive interactions. Dress modestly, especially when visiting religious sites. This shows respect for the local culture and ensures you are welcomed warmly. What to pack? Pack comfortable walking shoes, warm clothing, sunscreen, insect repellent, and a first aid kit. Being prepared ensures you can fully enjoy your adventure without any hassles. Don't forget your camera to capture the breathtaking scenery. The stunning landscapes and vibrant culture of AJK are memories you'll want to cherish forever. Section 8. Preserving Paradise, a call for sustainable tourism. As we bid farewell to the enchanting land of AJK, let us carry with us not just memories but also a commitment to preserving its pristine beauty. This land, with its lush landscapes and serene vistas, deserves our utmost respect and care. Sustainable tourism is not just a responsibility but a necessity to ensure that future generations can experience the magic of this paradise. It is about making choices that protect and enhance the environment rather than deplete it. Let us tread lightly upon this fragile ecosystem, minimizing our impact on the environment. Choose eco-friendly accommodation options, dispose of waste responsibly, and always be conscious of our footprint, and respect the local flora and fauna. Every plant and animal here plays a crucial role in maintaining the ecological balance. Support local businesses and communities contributing to the region's sustainable development. By doing so, we help preserve the cultural heritage and provide economic benefits to the local population. Let us be mindful travelers, appreciating the delicate balance of nature. Practice leave no trace principles to ensure that the beauty of AJK remains unspoiled. By embracing sustainable practices, we can ensure that AJK's natural wonders continue to inspire and captivate generations to come. Our actions today will shape the future of this paradise. As we depart from this land of breathtaking beauty, let us carry the spirit of AJK within us. A spirit of adventure, tranquility, and a deep reverence for the wonders of the natural world. Let this journey inspire us to be better guardians of our planet. Let us pledge to be responsible stewards of this paradise, preserving its magic for generations to come. Together, we can make a difference.